Hello guys, in this video I show you my new angle grinder, the Bosch GWS 19. The angle grinder comes with 1900 watt and is, as far as I know, one of the most powerful on the market. Alright, let's have a look at the package and see what's included. The first part is kind of an extra air filter. You clamp this filter onto the back of the angle grinder to prevent it from sucking in rough dirt. At least if I have understood it correctly. The next part is the vibration reducing handle. Next we have the spanner for the angle grinder nut that I'm currently trying to store in the grip, which obviously doesn't work. And now of course we have the two nuts. Although I will only need the first of these because I bought an additional quick release nut, as you can see here. The quick release nut was not included in the package and it cost about 15 euros. Of course we also got an instruction manual, which we will read completely. Obviously. What is also very nice is that the tool has an extra long cable, about 4 meters long. Attaching the bonnet for protection against flying sparks was not very clear the first time. There was a little switch I didn't recognize immediately. So far so good, just attach the grip and we are ready to go. Oh, and I forgot, the angle grinder has an automatic kickback stop as an additional safety feature, which is also pretty cool. The quick release nut works really well. Changing different discs is really fast and you don't even need a spanner. What you can also see here on the back is the wheel for adjusting the RPM, which by the way is hidden when you want to use the additional filter. In general, this additional filter is a small minus point because the filter is difficult to attach and because it does not hold very well after it has been attached. And finally it was time for some test cuts. I also tried a fancy slow motion with sparkler effect. The evaluation of the angle grinder is my subjective opinion, and this video is in no way intended to be a recommendation to buy. And of course I received nothing for this review, and I am not sponsored because who would support such dumb channel? Anyway, the angle grinder is a lot quieter compared to my old angle grinder, even with the brutal power of 1900 watt. The vibration absorbing grip is also something to behold. This handle makes it easy to hold the angle grinder without any feeling of vibration, which is really amazing. And the cuts feel super fast and the roughing of metal is also faster than usual. But I forgot to talk about the price. I paid 165 euros on Amazon, which is of course a lot for an angle grinder. But so far I am very satisfied with the tool and I would definitely buy it again. As for the question of whether it is worth it, the 165 or now at the time of the video 185 euros, I can only say that everyone has to know that for themselves.